How to get rid of sewer gnats in simple steps. Sewer gnats are the same as drain flies or sewer flies. They do not bite and can help break down particles clogging a drain. But they become a problem when there are too many of them. Drain flies or sewer gnats move in large numbers called clouds. So it is difficult not to have an infestation once they live and thrive in your drains and sewers. So are you dealing with an infestation of sewer gnats in your home? If your answer is yes, then you're not alone. These small flying insects can be a nuisance. But fortunately, there are steps you can take to get rid of them and prevent them from returning. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of these annoying pests. Get rid of it! Identifying the problem. The first step in eliminating sewer gnats is to recognize their presence. These insects are typically small and black, with wings that are fringed in white. You may mistake them for fruit flies because of their close resemblance. However, sewer gnats are usually larger and darker in color than the other flies. They are typically drawn to moisture and dampness. So, you will often find them near or in sinks, drains, and other damp areas around your house. Keeping the gnats out of the house. Once you've identified the pests, the next step is to keep them from entering your home. Start by sealing up any potential entry points, such as cracks and crevices in walls and floors. Check the areas around your windows, doors, storm doors, screen doors, and other points. Also eliminate sources of moisture, sealing all drains and pipes. Check for leak points under sinks and pipes, and change what is damaged. Then, clean the excess moisture and ensure you keep them as dry as possible. Removing the gnats. After sealing possible entry points, you must remove the existing sewer gnats from your home. A vacuum cleaner is one of the most effective methods of removal. Channel it to the most infested places and suck up the gnats. They are powerless against the strength of the vacuum suction. You can also use a handheld steamer to kill any remaining ones. As a last resort, you can apply insecticides to target these pests. However, it's important to note that insecticides can be toxic, so use them with caution. Disinfect the drains. Afterward, disinfecting the drains is crucial. There are several ways to disinfect them, such as using water and bleach or baking soda and vinegar. 1. Bleach and water mixture. A bleach and water solution is excellent at disinfecting any area, especially a drain. So, it is one of the best ways to clean your drains if you have a problem with gnats infesting them. To make this solution, mix 1 part bleach with 9 parts water. You can opt to make the solution stronger, depending on how bad the infestation is. Ensure you thoroughly clean the area and allow the solution to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. 2. Store-bought disinfectant. You will find many types of disinfectants in local stores that you can use for cleaning and sanitizing drains. Ensure you select one that fits drain cleaning and does not corrode any surface. Also, carefully follow the instructions on the label. You may need to mix it with water or another liquid before application. Check the time it should sit before you can rinse. How to prevent future sewer gnat infestations. Ensure you regularly inspect cracks and crevices to remove all insects. Seal them with epoxy or any other type of sealant. And don't forget to repair any leaks or water damage promptly. Here are other things you can do to prevent sewer gnat infestations. Use screens. Using screens over drains is an effective way to prevent future gnat infestations. The screens will keep gnats from getting into the drains and breeding. Ensure you fit them securely over the drains so gnats will have no way to enter. Use drain covers. If screens are unavailable, you can use a drain cover in their place. You will get the same results as with a screen because the cover will stop the gnats from infesting your drain and creating a breeding ground. However, you must remember to clean the cover from time to time. Clean the house. Regularly cleaning drains is crucial in preventing an infestation. Use drain cleaners or enzyme-based products to remove organic buildup in drains and pipes. Your drains must work properly so that there is no standing water to attract gnats to breed. This will also prevent clogging from food particles and debris. Remove stagnant water. Finally, check for any sources of standing water such as puddles, buckets, or flower pots. Empty and remove them if applicable, and keep the area as dry as possible. This will eliminate any potential breeding grounds for gnats. Professional assistance. If the problem persists after your best efforts, consider using a professional contractor. They have the training to detect the life cycles and behavior of these pests. That way, they can effectively eliminate them for good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.